In this video, we will explore the military power of Israel and Iran, examining their strengths and weaknesses in various areas such as technology, manpower, and strategies. As we look at Israel's military, we see a highly trained force equipped with cutting-edge technology and strong intelligence capabilities, which sets it apart in the region. On the other side, Iran maintains a vast military apparatus that emphasizes its naval power and missile development, reflecting its strategic objectives in the Persian Gulf. Israel's advanced missile defense systems like Iron Dome demonstrate its commitment to protecting its territory, while Iran focuses on asymmetric warfare tactics to counterbalance regional threats. Israel's military exercises highlight their focus on coordination and readiness, while Iran continues to develop its drone capabilities as a crucial element of modern warfare strategy. The integration of sophisticated technology in Israel's military operations showcases their innovative approach, while Iran's focus on traditional ground tactics reflects its historical military heritage. Analyzing the budgets and resources reveals significant differences in military spending between Israel and Iran, influencing their strategies and technological advancements. Israel's emphasis on cybersecurity reflects its proactive stance in modern warfare, while Iran seeks to strengthen alliances and enhance its military strategy through collaborative efforts. The elite Israeli commandos exemplify quick strike capabilities that contribute to national security, whereas Iran's missile launches signify its determination to showcase military strength amid ongoing regional tensions. Israel's state-of-the-art military technology at global exhibitions highlights its role as a leader in defense innovation, while Iran's focus on drone production indicates its strategic shift towards modern warfare capabilities. The strategic planning sessions within the Israeli military reveal a high reliance on intelligence and technology, while Iran's large-scale drills showcase its emphasis on preparedness and troop coordination. The heightened security along Israel's borders illustrates its defensive posture, while Iranian naval exercises project strength and serve as a reminder of the region's geopolitical dynamics. The Israeli Air Force's rigorous training exercises emphasize their focus on air superiority, whereas the grand parades in Iran reflect a commitment to showcasing military strength and fostering national pride. Israel's cutting-edge missile defense systems highlight its proactive defense strategies, while Iran's military leadership aims to bolster morale and resolve among its forces amid ongoing challenges. Israeli soldiers' training in urban environments prepares them for real-world conflicts, while the strategic discussions among Iranian officers highlight the importance of meticulous planning and military operations. The execution of covert night operations by Israeli special forces reveals their tactical proficiency, whereas the collaborative exercises by Iranian ground forces signify their commitment to regional alliances and shared defense goals.